Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Sorry I'm getting so late with the live videos, but I had an emergency happen and I had to take care of that first. But I'm finally live here, in the first trade. As you can see, I took your Euro USD trade at 17:20 for 3 p.m. Did a sell, so my position is in the negative for $40.25. So that would be my profit for the first one contract I bought. Right now, I'm maxed out in profits because of the movement that I have. The market have moved from 1720 to 1693. So we got great market movement. Here we go. Hold on. Great market movement from that price up here at 1720 to where it's currently at right now. So it was a good trade. Right now we're gonna continue to look at this thing, watch it win. And there we go. There we go. We got 7 minutes left, so I was just kind of wait. I know this trade is a victory. You know it's a victory, so we'll just kind of let the time expire, and we'll make this video very short. All right, we're back. Under a minute right now. Closing in on 30 seconds. Looking pretty good. As you can see, the price is 16.92. Market's pretty much down. Broke past a pivot and a Fibonacci level. So we got major downside movement as of right now. We know, as you can see, the market has been moving up. I see my moving averages, so we're seeing what's happening. Y'all know what it's doing. It's nothing. As y'all know, I'm at a beginning balance, so y'all see this. Hopefully this was my last deposit, y'all. Please, I pray to God that it was. I hope I do the right things. I can continue to profit from here. You see, my account's at $156, so start with very minimum to get this thing rolling. But it takes persistence and consistency and a pretty good strategy. I hope you got plenty of chart time because you're gonna need it. But Alex Jenkins checking out.